Hello everyone, and welcome back to Your Values. Hope you're well today. Today a little video about love. Love. Why? Well, it's actually the aim of Your Values to have a happy and peaceful world, but love is also everything we do, all the people we hang out is due to love. You go towards what you love. And today we're trying to create a world without emotions, where it's not good to have emotions. It's bad, and we're all becoming psychopaths and robots. They don't have emotions, but emotions is what permits you to regulate your actions. It permits you to make the difference between tearing a piece of paper and cutting someone's head off. A psychopath doesn't do the difference. And this is why at school you have a lot of harassment and things, because we have no compassion. We're not teaching children to have compassion, to have love, to respect each other. And this leads to life values, to quality life, and stops wars also if we have emotions. And when you know this feeling of true happiness within you, you don't need to go and seek those tangible things outside to try and make you happy, to harass people, to buy clothes, to do drugs. These are all compensation things. When you know this inside, intangible, true happiness inside is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And when I discovered that, everything went so fine in my life. And when you know this feeling, it's the same with animals. You realize that we're all part of the chain, the animals, not just the human beings and animals separately. We're all human living beings on earth. And this is why we say we recognize a good human being to the way he treats animals, which is true. And I believe that if there's something we can do in the world today is set a program like Your Values, because love has no religion, has no political party. And the day every political party offers a program like that, this will be the solution. Because love is also consideration for animals, for ecology, for each other. No harassment at school, no wars. So this is very important, and this is what has to be done. Just before I finish, I have events upcoming in January, conferences. So the link will be available soon. And I'll let you know, and you will be able to subscribe and book your place to the event. The places are limited. In the meantime, I wish you a beautiful day and see you soon on Your Values.